Hey, what's up? Sam here. So today we're gonna unbox the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. Compared to its predecessor, Amazfit T-Rex, the Pro version has passed 15 military grade tests, 3 more than the Amazfit T-Rex. Also supports 4 global navigation satellite systems and has 10 ATM water resistance, so you can explore more with confidence. And other new features for outdoor discovery also include barometer or altimeter, weather tracker, sunrise and sunset monitor, and current moon phase display. I don't even know what the hell is that, so let's just unbox and get to the watch. So that's the smartwatch. So let's check it out. We see the watch. It feels really rocket. Let's put it aside. On this compartment we see a charger cable. I guess it's magnetic, right? Yes, it's magnetic. We got a chunky manual. So that's basically what the Amazfit T-Rex Pro has got. Now let's power on the Amazfit T-Rex Pro by holding down the select key. Once they turn on, you can choose the language you want for your watch. It has lots of languages. Then go to next step, you get to see QR code for downloading the app Zip. As usual, you have to fill out your basic information in order to get a customized exercise suggestion from Amazfit. Yes, that's the layout of the app. Press the plus icon on the top left corner, choose a watch and go to next step. You can turn on the Bluetooth and then scan the QR code on the watch to connect. Confirm on the watch and you will pair without any problem. Anyway, we'll get to the app later. First, let's go through the overall gesture of the T-Rex Pro. Press any key to light up the screen. On the watch face screen, press the select button to go to the workout list. You can see every sports mode here. It has more than 100 plus sports modes. You can use the touch screen to scroll up or down, or by using the up and down physical key to do that. This is especially good when you are wearing gloves outside and not convenient to operate. Once you select a sport mode, you can confirm by pressing the select key. Where the back key here is to go back to the previous page. On the watch face screen, you can press the back key to go to the app list. Here you can see all the apps that's on the watch. When I test one of these, yes, quite normal. On screens other than the watch face screen, you can press and hold the back button to quickly return to the watch face. Now, on the watch face screen, press the up key to enter the shortcut control screen, where you can quickly turn on the flashlight, set the screen brightness, find your phone, set the D&D mode, enter the battery saver mode, enter the theater mode, and get access to the settings. On the watch face screen, press the down key to switch between different widgets. You get to see activity goal, Pi, real-time weather, heart rate, and SpO2. Of course, you can always use the touch screen for gesture control. Swipe down for shortcut control screen, swipe up to switch between different widgets, swipe right to see the notification list, swipe left on the watch face screen to go to the app list. Yes, that's basically what the gesture control the T-Rex Pro has got. The screen is high definition and responsive. The physical keys have good crispy feedback. Now, move to the app. The first column is home page, where you can see different widgets like steps, calories, heart rate, SpO2, sleep score, etc. Of course, you can click in to see details. I got to say, this is by far the most detailed analysis I've ever seen. Looks really professional. The second column is Enjoy, where you can set alarm clock, event reminder, or change your watch face, etc. The third column is Profile, which is all about your profile. Click the icon on the top right corner to access all data easily. Yeah, so that's the unboxing and the hands-on of the T-Rex Pro. I've only been with it for a few days and I haven't had a chance to go outside to fully experience it, because I'm too busy, so many phones released this week. Xiaomi, Poco, Black Shark. I want to kill myself. But a subscription will prevent me from doing that. So subscribe, please. Link is in the description. But I still had a good time with it. It's built for outdoors, but yeah, it's still good for my daily urban life. It records everything precisely and give me a professional feedback. which I love. Compared to my day drive like the Band 3, maybe it's a little bit too chunky and heavy, but hey, this is specifically built for outdoors, and the rugged and durable design can withstand those extreme harsh environment. And also it has tons of features that's helpful for outdoor heavy duties. Yeah, it's awesome. And if you are interested in one of these, please check out the link in the description. At the end of this video, I'd like to thank my friend Simi for providing this watch to the review. All links are down in the description. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.